tuke jariembo mawuok e piny Estonia Tanak ne okawo namba e tielo mokwongo mag piem mar Safari Rally manobag e chak piem go Kasarani. Tanak ne ondiko saa mapiyo kobedo namba 1 e mbele Sebastian Ogier manobedo namba 2 ka Calero Van Pera bedo namba 3. Ja Kenya maneloyo piem no higa mokalo mano mabedo namba 3 kod chieng' makiny piem mako mach e gwenge ma Naivasha kama gibiro piem e kidienje mag laro simbo ma higani.
Gauche, 130 bits d'arc accord, 130 bits d'arc accord pour 80 mètres derrière. 120 120 plus 60 mètres, frein gauche 120 bon.
Winning super special in Kenya makes no difference at all. It doesn't matter if it's minus 10 seconds or plus 10 seconds. I would say it's the challenge, and you know, it's one of these rallies in the calendar where the speed doesn't make any difference. So
definitely quite a lot of rains washing away all the gravel, so it's a bit more rough this year.
I wouldn't say there's too much pressure, more than not that there's usually pressure, but it's the same approach, because even if I'm not rallying in front of them there, I'm always aware of who I'm representing.
We'll be called big girls when our time reaches, but for now we are still learning from the experts.
Piem go biro bedo ka dhi nyime.